Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a hair tutorial, as you guys of course can tell by the title down below. Today I wanted to do another protective style. I was actually supposed to be putting back my locks in, but I just wasn't in the mood. So I had to do something to my hair and I thought, why not do another protective style? So I just did this huge bun on my natural hair that looks pretty realistic, even though I did use some extensions. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this quick hairstyle. This style you can achieve in literally like 10 minutes. You don't need any more time than that. 10 minutes and you should be good to go. So it's perfect for work, or if you just want to bring out that Afrocentric kind of vibe. I'm giving you guys like soul sister realness right now. You guys hear that? It's about to pour some rain. It's about to pour some serious rain, yo. Like, this hurricane season now, play with nobody. Oh yeah guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed, please don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button down below to join this family right here. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this video and drop me a comment down below. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, then just do what? Keep on watching.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off on hair that is stretched and pretty dry, but I'm not worrying too much about, you know, how it is when you're starting off. It is a protective style, so you don't have to worry too much about it. But please excuse my little furry friend on the front of my hair right there. But anyways, we're gonna go in with the Gorilla Snot gel, and just use any gel you want. You just need something to make sure that, you know, your hair is slicked back as neat as you can possibly get it. I love this gel, even though it does flake. I get asked that a lot. It does flake, but the hold is pretty good, so that's okay with me. I'm just gonna brush that in and secure my hair up into a bun slash ponytail type of thing, and I'm just gonna tuck the edges away so that I don't have to deal with them. But yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. So once your hair is in a bun, we're good to go. Next, I'm going to be using this Nora Afro Twist synthetic hair. It has a human hair feel. It's the original Marley texture, very much like human hair. This is how the texture looks straight out the pack. I'm just going to attach a elastic to it. It does come with one, but I already popped mine, so I'm just putting a elastic on it so I can put it over my bun, but I want it to be a lot bigger, so I'm just going to use a brush and just smooth out the texture so that it is a lot bigger and I can get a bigger bun that way. But basically that's what I'm going to be doing, just brushing it out to make the texture a bit less visible, and then I'm just going to put it over my bun and begin securing that out of the way so that I can work on the big bun itself. Alright, so once I've secured that out of the way, I'm going to take my scarves. I used two scarves, two long ones, or the longest ones I could find. The more wrapping that you guys use, the more things that you guys use under there, the bigger the bun is going to be. So this right here is the secret to the big mega bun. So I'm just wrapping that around, and I went deliberately over with the black one last because I wanted it to be as discreet as possible. So now I'm just taking that hair and wrapping it over the scarves that I used, you know, just to make sure that everything is just tucked under and it doesn't look messy, or, you know, just not too obvious that it is synthetic hair and not your own hair, because I wanted the style to be very believable, you know. So that's what I got, and I'm going to kind of fluff it out a bit more because I really want it to be like really big, you know. So after that, I'm going to be working on my edges, and I'm going to be using the same hair wax that I used in my previous hair tutorial. I absolutely love it. It's slowly becoming a favorite of mine, and I'm just going to use that to slick down the edges and of course create some baby hairs, because no look is complete if you don't have some baby hairs in the front. So yeah. Yeah guys, so that's it. A very quick and simple tutorial, as are most of the tutorials that I do. Definitely something that can be dressed up, it can be chic, as well as a casual hairstyle, and something that you can also wear to work, you know what I mean? So yeah guys, this is the tutorial for today. Hope you guys are enjoying the frequent uploads. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff down below, and turn on your post notifications guys. Click the bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I put out a video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.